You are going to love the 2025 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.